All this is happening while the Jackson family is involved in a legal battle over Michael Jackson's death. Family matriarch Katherine Jackson is usually at the courthouse. She was not there this morning. And Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez has more on the trial and the family. Miriam.
That is right. Katherine Jackson is usually here, not every day, but most days. She sits in the front row where she gets a clear view of anybody on the witness stand and where jurors can clearly see her. Today, her seat was empty. The jurors were not told anything about Katherine Jackson's absence, nor were they told anything about Paris Jackson's troubles.
Ever since I was born, Daddy has been the best father you could ever imagine.
The child who spoke so openly about her love for her father is now 15 years old and a central figure in the lawsuit against AEG Live. Paris Jackson is named as a plaintiff along with her siblings and grandmother, accusing the tour promoter of negligence for the hiring of Dr. Conrad Murray. A member of Katherine Jackson's legal team says there is no indication that Paris's role in this trial has anything to do with a suicide attempt, which was confirmed to Eyewitness News by a source close to the family.
The Jackson attorneys have done all we can to keep this trial as far away from the Jackson children and Paris as possible.
Paris, however, is named as a witness by the defense. AEG subpoenaed her and Prince. Paris came to the court 2 months ago to give her deposition.
A deposition, a grilling of a child regarding the loss of her father is going to create a lot of pressure.
Was there in the deposition here?
Well, Paris Jackson was asked intimate details about her father and her father's death. It was a very intense situation, and yes, it created pressure on everybody involved.
In court, there was no mention of Paris's incident today. On a repeated basis, the judge has warned jurors not to listen to any reports related to anyone involved in the case. Legal analyst Barry Edwards says jurors potentially could be swayed.
This is going to be out in the public very quickly, and I think that it's going to be hard for the jurors not to hear about it.
An attorney for AEG says, "We pray to God the reports are not true. God forbid that they are. We wish her a speedy recovery and her family all the best. I really hope she is okay." And the Jackson attorneys say if they called Paris Jackson to testify, it would be about her loss and her close relationship to her father. They say they have not decided yet whether they will be calling her. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.